Subscribe to my channel for latest unboxings, reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. This is Osama, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a camera comparison between the OnePlus 6T and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. This test will show you the photos taken from both the phones in almost all the environments. The pictures have been shot in auto mode, portrait mode, nightscape on the OnePlus 6T and the night mode on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. There are panorama shots, videos from front and rear cameras, and there are slow-mo shots as well. Let's take a look at the OnePlus 6T's camera first. This phone has got a dual camera shooter at the back. There is a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel wide shooter, and the 16 megapixel shooter here has the optical image stabilization. On the front of the OnePlus 6T we have a 16 megapixel wide shooter. Talking about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, we have a 40 megapixel wide shooter. There is a 20 megapixel ultra wide shooter, and then there is an 8 megapixel telephoto shooter. This is a triple camera setup, and this is probably the best from Huawei. On the front of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro we have a single camera. This is a 24 megapixel lens and it's a wide shooter. So guys, without any further ado, let's start the camera test now. Keep in mind that I am not the one deciding the winner here. Drop your comments below and let's find out the winner. Take a look now.